Hi to everyone. In this lecture, we are going to see some of the algorithms related to linked lists. Okay. What we are going to do it initially means before discussing about the algorithms, we are just going to discuss about two algorithms. One is called as Getnode, and the next one is called as return. Okay. So actually Getnode is nothing but one of the procedure which is used to get a node. Okay, why we are going to make use of this procedure means actually whenever if you are going to whenever if there is a free space, that free space which will be collected in a list called avail. So whatever the free spaces are available, everything which will be in a list called avail. Okay. So if you wish to create a new node means by that time you have to get a free node from this avail list only. Okay. So in order to get that free node from this avail list, you can make use of the procedure called get node. So here the syntax is get node of x means actually x is nothing but a pointer which is pointing to the first free node in the avail list. For example, you may have the list of free spaces like this one. You may have the list of free spaces like this one. For example, I am saying this is a collection of free spaces and the name given for this list is avail. Okay, I have given it a avail. I am going to have a pointer called x, which is going to point to the first free node in this avail list. So whenever if I am going to create a node means I am just going to get a free node from this avail list. So in order to get a free node, I have to make use of the pointer x. That's why here I am using get node of x. Okay. And one more function is there called ret of x. It's nothing but return of x. Why we are going to make use of this one means whenever if the programmer is going to delete the data from the node, by that time that memory which will be free only. So that free spaces has to be sent back to the avail list. In order to send the free nodes, that means deleted nodes, that free spaces has to be sent back to the avail list. For such a purpose, we can make use of return of x. So we please have it in your mind very clearly. We are going to have the two types of procedures. One is called get node and next one is called as return. Get node is a function which is used to get a free node from the avail list. Okay, and return is a function which is used to return the free node back to the while list. Okay, when you can return the free node to back to the avail list means suppose if the user is going to delete a particular node means by that time the deleted node has to be stored in the avail list. How can you store it? By means of this procedure, return of x. Whatever it may be of a get node or else it may be of a return procedure. But there we are just going to make use of the pointer called x. What it means? X is nothing but a pointer which is pointing to the first node in your avail list. That's all. Okay, I hope that you got a clear idea about get node and return. In case if you are having any doubt, kindly post your queries. Thank you.